guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amy. If you're new here, welcome. For today's video, I'm just going to be bringing you guys along days in my life. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Mommy, you put introduce me.
Like, introduce me, girl. You part of the program. Stop messing with this. You guys, these little kids always trying to make us look bad because I'm over here with my jacket and I picked Margie up from school and she doesn't have her jacket on. She left it at school. So I'm like, you say we got it in English. We're here at Walmart. We came to buy some Christmas decoration for our tree and we're gonna bake some cupcakes today. Hopefully there's some decorations because girl, we kind of late.
We definitely have to buy this one.
Guys, we're at a Walmart and come to find out I'm the one that was looking crazy because nobody has a jacket on. It's warm out here and I'm surprised because we're in December, like this weather. So I took my jacket off because I'm sweating. But we're on the way to Dollar Tree to see what else they have there. Oh, a car went by. I don't know why is it so hot? It's December and I'm too young to have menopause, so it can't be that. Maybe it's just the weather. I don't know.
It feels so cold now. It's so hot.
In the morning, it's really, really cold. We're here at Dollar Tree.
We're here at Dollar Tree. We're gonna look for Christmas decor.
Hey guys, so we're back from the store, and I'm just gonna cook a quick pasta with tomato sauce and ground turkey. It's gonna be like spaghetti, but instead of the noodles, I'm using these. Then I got some kisses for the jar right here, some chocolate brownies. We're gonna be baking cupcakes. We're using the red velvet since it's like red. We got sprinkles. We got the Merry Christmas cups. We're using cream cheese because I love red velvet and cream cheese. And we're using the food coloring for the icing. Then I grabbed these cookies, the Christmas tree one and the snowman one. These are so good.
Yeah.
Okay guys, I'm gonna show you a mini haul of all the Christmas decor that I have bought. I went to Ross, Hobby Lobby, Walmart, and Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree was almost empty. Like I really didn't find a lot of things, but I did get some penguin socks for Margie. And I got some penguin socks for me because we're doing the matching pajama photo shoot. And our pajamas, we got them from Walmart and they have like a penguin. So I was like, okay, these are so cute. They have the penguin. They actually match our pajamas, unlike the other ones that I got from Ross. They didn't match. So I was like, I'll just get these. The thing I picked up are these cozy socks. I just got these because purple and then I thought these were cute. Then I grabbed these knee-high socks because I have like high boots. So I was like, let me get these so when I wear my boots, I can wear these socks. Then I grabbed these little treat bags for Margie's classmates. So when they have their Christmas party, I can just put candy. So I have decoration from last year, but our Christmas tree is like very small. I think it's 3 or 4 feet. But I was like, let's fill it up this year because last year was looking a little too dry. From Walmart, I got these ornaments. So we're doing like pink, gold, and white. Asked Margie, is pink, gold, and white fine? Because, you know, girl, I pay the bills, but she runs the house. She thinks she runs the house. And she was like, yes, that's fine. These were $4.98. And I think there's 26 of them. Then I grabbed these mini ornaments. This one's like pink and gold, and this one's just pink. Like I said, our tree is small, so I don't know. Hopefully they all go together. I'm not really good at decorating Christmas trees and stuff like that. But when you have kids, girl, you gotta do stuff fun for them. I feel like holidays became so much fun for me, like when I became a mother. Hopefully this looks good because this mom does not know how to decorate yet. Then we got this oven mitten. I think this was like 98 cents. Ornament hooks, there was 98 cents. And there's like 150 of them. We're not gonna use all of them. Last year they gifted me the birthstone ornament. So mine is December and it's like light blue. And Margie's is July. So I was like, let me grab hers. So hers can be hanging on the tree too. Margie picked out this pink candy cane ornament. I don't know if you can see it. The lighting, girl. Then we grabbed this ballerina dancer. She's so pretty because Marjorie takes ballet classes. She loves ballet. So I was like, oh, this is so cute. This was $1.98. She's so pretty. And I grabbed some candy canes for the tree. Leave a comment down below if you still put like candy canes on your tree. And then Marjorie grabbed this snowman. It's so cute. It has like a pink hat. Girl, it's the blush for me. Look, this is really me when I put blush on. Then our tree topper, I got this gold star and it was $8.98. I think last year we had a bow, but this year was like, let's put a star. So it's just this star. It's gold. I think it's pretty. The last thing I got from Walmart is this tree skirt. It's gold. It has like snowflakes. And this one was $12.98. Next store I went to was Hobby Lobby. I was just like, I do not belong here. It was like, y para acabarla, quebré un ornament. Like I broke an ornament there. I was so embarrassed. And this lady that works there, she looked at me like, oh man, like lady, I did not purposely break this ornament. Like I was so embarrassed. I was like, no, I gotta go. Cause I started panicking. I was like, oh my God, like I broke this ornament. And I was like, I just started panicking. Like, I thought I was going to get escorted out because the way the lady was looking at me. Glass, but it's a little angel and it lights up. Last thing I got from Hobby Lobby is this ballet shoe for Margie. So cute. Both ornaments I paid $4.79. Was that a good deal or not? Comment down below if that was a good deal. I feel like it was. It was 50% off. But yeah, girl, Hobby Lobby was a little too pricey. Maybe one day I'll shop there again. So the next store I went to was Ross. And the first thing I grabbed was these Christmas bags. Look how cute. It's like pink with Christmas tree. And then this one, it says joy, peace, love. And then this one, it just says Merry Christmas. And it has like glitter. It's like 3 bags and I paid $2.99. They're so pretty. And I got these bags and this one's like a big bag. It's like a big gold Christmas tree and it says Merry Christmas. So pretty. Then this one has the reindeers. It's gold and white. And then this one's like glittery and it has snowflakes. These were $2.99 as well. The last thing I got from Ross is this right here. It says joy and it has baby Jesus. I always liked having like something that has baby Jesus under my tree because he's a reason for the season. But this one was $6.99 and I wish the star was gold, like, and this was gold, but it's okay. It's so cute. You can even see baby Jesus. You can only see Joseph's beard. But yeah, guys, that's all the Christmas decor that I bought. Hopefully the tree comes out beautiful. Like I said, it's a small Christmas tree, but we're gonna make it work. Is it good?
A lot of frosting.
It's good.
I got Frosty the Snowman. Click the subscribe button and you can find these.
So we're gonna decorate a Christmas tree. I'm trying to figure out how did I manage to put the Christmas tree back in the box. I don't know how I did it, but
Mommy,
I was probably patient.
That I made this?
Oh yeah, this is so cute. You made it in your kindergarten class.
Yeah. Little snow, you make a snowman out of it.
Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, próspero año y felicidad. Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, próspero año y felicidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart.
Puzzle the past, please puzzle the soul.
You guys, look at her slick bun. Show them your bun. Wow. We just got out of the recital. We're about to eat.
All Rangers present and accounted for. I think so. I'm here.
Me too, boss.
Present. Can I say yes? You're welcome. For the islands I pulled from the sea.
You tell me that it's red, ay mi amor, ay mi amor.
Genie! That's my name! With a question? Yeah, why?
Olaf, please, take us to Elsa.
Okay, follow me.
Not to know, not a footprint to receive.
Hey guys, so I'm sorry that I haven't been explaining like the things that we've been doing. Like you guys saw, we went to Marjorie's recital, we went to her dance recital, and then today we went to Disney on Ice. Literally been waking up, going straight to getting ready, and then leaving to where we gotta be My weekend's been really busy, but we had fun at DisneyOnIce. What was your favorite part?
Every part. Like, when I got the cup, I was like, is this cup available or nothing?
After we left the event, we went to Dario's, and it's like a fast food restaurant. They sell really good food. Now we made it back home, but then my sister called me and she was like, you want to go to Crumble? And it's like this cookie place. I'm like, oh my God, girl. I'm supposed to be on a diet, but let's go. You guys are probably thinking like, girl, you be catfishing us, because un día estás arreglada, you got your face beat, and then some days you're like, girl, and I do. And I do. My face is getting so much clearer. Like, I'm trying not to wear makeup until my birthday. If you think this is bad, then girl, it used to be worse. But I'm at the point where I feel more confident going out with my bare face and not having to wear makeup all the time. I look like I be catfishing you guys, but
Guess what?
it's okay. If you guys are still watching, leave a comment down below with the crown emoji.